and I love Bandai. And I'm going to be building Goku, Son of Goku, Blue, Boop. And I welcome you all here to the Zimion's Global Concerns because I am an animator. One, boop. And I just got to keep cracking my knuckles because this looks like it's going to be challenging. And in with some plastic baggies got to be removed. Welcome to today's Retro Tech show, and let's get it on the ball.
Just like this.
Look at these instructions. Interesting. A little bit of confusing on the slap side, but much easier than a gun. Rip. Plastic. No more. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the Zimion's Global Concerns channel, where anime and model kit builds like the Retro Tech playlist here, please do for more great content and hit that thumbs up. And I rub my garlic hands with magic. Zerp. Oh yeah. Whoa, what? Snip, 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 snip. All right, let's get this on the ball. And first of all, I'm just gonna have some fun. And you can see that I'm in my avatar. And yes, not my gaming one. On my gaming channel, I do use an avatar, and I sometimes use live streaming images and stuff. It's as kooky, as weird as I could get. And I welcome all of you for first-time viewers. I do things on the Retro Tech like this, building models and having fun. As well, just snip, snip. Ooh, here, blue, here on, snip. Together again. And we just gotta finish building this really quick. And like I said, I welcome all of you for first-time viewers. And also, I have a Twitch account as well. You can check that out. And a lot of other amazing, great things that you may not know about. As well, he's looking pretty good so far, and I enjoy Dragon Ball Z. Is one of my favorite animations, and a lot of big fans out there for that. I love a lot of anime, Japanese stuff, and let's put this together. Ooh. And yeah, a little bit more I could do, and I'm just whipping that as hard as I can. Clip, 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 clip. And this is just interesting. It's a pain in the butt getting the hair in. I don't know what's going on. Well, we got it. Whip. And I know I'm a little wonky here today and tonky, but I just have a lot of struggle with the hairstyle. So when you do get one of these model kits, it's a lot to put together. I'm just getting these little bare bottoms here and putting them together. I am a third party to Bandai Namco as well. It's just third parties you can order for your stores and things that you like. The only reason I don't do it, I do not want crates and pallets all over my front lawn, and I have nowhere to store it. But I am proud to be helpful and courteous to one of my most favorite companies, as well as being supportive as well. And I am an anime artist, and I do a lot of manga art, and I do like working with Blender. I do also do RPG stuff, and there'll be a lot more coming to this channel. Anyhow, Goku is just being the ragdoll of my time. And as well, there's just so much to go, and I am enjoying this little clip and dip, and it's just a lot to look at and do with this piece by piece, attaching his arms. And I have pretty much covered everything I've been filling on my chest lately, and I've been working a side job, and I'm hoping to leave this job. It is seeming like it's driving me nuts. So I am not being myself locally, and I just went home sick because of issues at the job, and the people in the back of the business is not very nice to me. So I hope to work with Bandai and work with them. Right now, I just don't know where I'm going with this, but I'm proud to be a YouTuber and be supportive to my favorite company, and I respect a lot of other companies as well. My gaming channel is supposed to be mostly separate from this channel, and I am going to be doing a lot of different kinds of artworks on here. And the Retro Tech, I put model kits together or repair stuff, and this is what this channel is about. And I have done a lot of stuff over my time. As well, there'll be more builds from Bandai coming here, and I hope you all can come check it out. I want to work with Gundam and Sunrise, and I also want to work with between Gundam and Ami Warriors. I love those two animations from Sunrise, and I just hope in the goodwill to be working even with a freelance job or whatever I can do. It's just hard times, and I'm going to be looking for a new job because the job I'm at right now is making me very unhappy and stressed. And I think the workforces around the world, they are buckling down of shortening employment, and even though they want people to work for them, and that's what it seems like. I don't know how is it in most places around the world. I don't know, but it seems like a lot of economy drops are taking place and making it harder on everybody living. I know I probably shouldn't talk about this stuff, but it's just one of those things that it's cutting me in half, and I'm being stressed out, and I'm not. It just seems like the workforce is becoming a very unhealthy environment for me, and I worry about the future of myself, and I'm not doing the things that I'm skilled for. So I hope to open an aviation and dinosaur museum with my anime figures, and also supporting Bandai Namco because I love this company a lot. I want to open this up a Gundam based style of the Zymeon's Global Concerns. I hope to get a team, and maybe Bandai could be a part of this and help. I don't know, even there's millions of people who want these kind of positions, and it's just one of the million if I'm going to get in or not. But still, I'm going to fight strong, and I will get this studio. I want to share this for the community and build this up for community, so something they can explore and come see an awesome museum. So I'm just sharing my thoughts today. I'm a little shooken up from today's madness, and yep. And I just gotta do some color art now since I just got done snapping everything together. And just within each color art, I'm gonna use some highlights on his arm. You may not be seeing some of these are clear coats and manga markers. I'm gonna use some darks on there and to polish his arms. That's what I did, and I also gotta blend them in. I'm gonna use some. These are manga markers right here. I'm going to use some blending on them because this is manga style, and also I'm going to use some highlights, and as well it's got to have some white lines, I'm just going to say, and that's pretty much it with this, and I hope you guys enjoy. Now the glamour shots. And I thank everybody for coming to review and watch me build Goku Blue, son of Goku. Awesome. And as well, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and I appreciate everybody coming to review and today's show. And as well, I'll have some links below you guys can check out and maybe get a model kit of your own. And thank you, Bandai, for everything you have done for the community and everything. I hope to get my community going soon and to work with you in the future. Thank you, everybody, and have a wonderful day. Bye!